a digital enigma introducing Saraxi 6844 at xpiro.com. This email address at first glance appears to be just another random string of characters. But is it really? Or does it hold a deeper meaning, a hidden story waiting to be uncovered? The email address Saraxi 6844 at xpiro.com sits before us. It is a seemingly ordinary combination of letters and numbers, yet it beckons us to delve deeper. What could be the significance of these characters? Is there a pattern, a code, or a message embedded within? It is a string of characters. But characters can be more than just symbols on a screen. They can represent ideas, identities, and even secrets. Each letter and number in this email address could be a clue, a piece of a larger puzzle that we are yet to solve. It is like many others. In the vast digital landscape, countless email addresses exist, each serving as a unique identifier for someone or something. Yet among the sea of addresses, this one stands out, not for its complexity, but for the curiosity it ignites. But this one sparks curiosity. What does it mean? Who is behind it? The questions are endless. Is it a personal email, a business contact, or perhaps a gateway to something more mysterious? The anonymity of the internet allows for endless possibilities. The username Saraxi6844 is a puzzle. It is a combination that seems random, yet it might hold significance to someone. Perhaps it is an alias, a code name, or a reference to something only the creator understands. It is a mix of letters and numbers. This blend of alphanumeric characters is common in the digital world, often used to create unique identifiers. But why this particular mix? What inspired the choice of Saraxi and the numbers 6844? It offers no clear meaning. To the untrained eye, it is just another email address. But to those who seek to understand, it is a challenge, an invitation to explore and uncover the truth behind it. The domain xpiro.com is equally strange. It is not a name that immediately resonates with familiarity. It is not a common word, nor does it appear to be a well-known brand or entity. This adds another layer to the mystery. It is not a common word. In fact, it seems almost otherworldly, as if it belongs to a different realm or dimension. Could it be an acronym, a code, or perhaps a name from a fictional universe? It could be a company, a person, or something else entirely. The possibilities are endless. In the digital age, domains can represent anything from personal blogs to multinational corporations. What lies behind xpiro.com? This email address is a mystery. It is a small piece of the vast digital puzzle, a fragment that invites us to question and explore. Who created it? What purpose does it serve? The answers are out there, waiting to be discovered. It represents the unknown in our digital world. In an era where information is at our fingertips, there are still countless mysteries that elude us. This email address is a symbol of that unknown, a reminder that not everything is as it seems. It is a reminder that we are surrounded by secrets. In our daily interactions with technology, we often overlook the enigmatic elements that exist within it. Every email, every domain, every username has a story, a purpose, a reason for being. These secrets are hidden in plain sight. They are woven into the fabric of our digital lives, waiting for those with curiosity and determination to uncover them. The email address Saraxi6844 at xpiro.com is one such secret, a digital enigma that challenges us to look beyond the surface and seek the truth.
Hidden identities. The purpose of cryptic emails. Why use an email address like this? There are many reasons. Some people desire privacy. They do not want their online activity tracked. A cryptic email address helps them stay hidden. It makes it harder to connect them to their real identity. Others might want to protect themselves. Online harassment is a real problem. A unique email address can make someone less of a target. Some people use cryptic emails for fun. They enjoy the mystery. They like to create a sense of intrigue. Whatever the reason, cryptic email addresses are common. They are a part of our online landscape.
Echoes in fiction. When emails mirror sci-fi mysteries, it feels like stepping into a world where the lines between reality and fiction blur. Imagine receiving an email that seems to come from a different dimension, filled with cryptic messages and hidden meanings. It's like a scene straight out of a science fiction novel, where technology and mystery intertwine to create an atmosphere of intrigue and suspense. The idea of hidden identities is not new. Throughout history, people have used various means to conceal their true selves, whether for protection, rebellion, or simply to explore different facets of their personalities. From ancient times to the modern era, The concept of masking one's identity has been a recurring theme in human society. Science fiction has explored this for years, delving into the possibilities and consequences of living in a world where identities can be easily altered or hidden. Authors and filmmakers have imagined futures where technology allows us to become whoever we want to be, raising questions about authenticity, trust, and the nature of self. Think of the movie The Matrix. In this iconic film, characters navigate a simulated reality, using code names and secret messages to communicate and fight against a powerful system that seeks to control them. The Matrix presents a world where the boundaries between the real and the virtual are constantly shifting, challenging our perceptions of what is true and what is illusion. Characters use code names and secret messages to protect their identities and communicate covertly. This element of secrecy adds a layer of tension and excitement, as they must constantly be on guard against those who would seek to uncover their true selves. It's a game of cat and mouse where the stakes are incredibly high. They fight to protect their identities from powerful forces that seek to control or exploit them. This struggle is a central theme in many sci-fi stories, reflecting our own fears and anxieties about surveillance, privacy, and the loss of personal freedom in an increasingly digital world. In the book Neuromancer, William Gibson describes a world of hackers and virtual reality. This cyberpunk classic paints a picture of a future where individuals navigate a digital landscape filled with danger and opportunity. Hackers use aliases and digital disguises to move through this world, constantly adapting to new threats and challenges. People use aliases and digital disguises to navigate this world, creating new identities to protect themselves and achieve their goals. This ability to reinvent oneself is both empowering and perilous, as it raises questions about the nature of identity and the consequences of living behind a mask. They guard their true selves from the dangers that lurk online, aware that revealing too much can make them vulnerable to exploitation or attack. This constant vigilance is a hallmark of the digital age, where the line between public and private is increasingly blurred. These stories reflect our anxieties about technology and its impact on our lives. They explore the tension between the desire for connection and the need for privacy, highlighting the challenges of maintaining a sense of self in a world where information is constantly being shared and scrutinized. They show us the importance of identity in a digital age, reminding us that who we are is shaped by both our online and offline experiences. As we navigate this complex landscape, we must be mindful of the ways in which technology can both empower and endanger us. They ask, what happens when we can hide who we are? What are the consequences? These questions challenge us to think deeply about the role of technology in our lives and the ways in which it shapes our identities. In a world where emails can mirror sci-fi mysteries, we are constantly reminded of the delicate balance between visibility and invisibility, connection and isolation, reality and fiction.
Decoding XPiro.com, a journey into the domain. Let's look closer at XPiro.com. A quick search reveals little. It is not connected to a major company or organization. The name itself is curious. It doesn't seem to be a real word. It could be an invented term, perhaps it's an acronym, or maybe it's a play on an existing word. The lack of information deepens the mystery. It makes us wonder what is being hidden, and why. This lack of information is common with cryptic addresses. It is part of what makes them intriguing. It is a reminder that the internet is a vast and often unknowable place.
The allure of the unknown. Curiosity and digital exploration. Humans are naturally curious. From the earliest days of our existence, we have been driven by an insatiable desire to explore the world around us. This curiosity has led us to climb the highest mountains, dive into the deepest oceans, and even venture into the vast expanse of space. It's a fundamental part of who we are. We are drawn to the unknown. The thrill of discovering something new, something that no one else has seen or experienced before, is a powerful motivator. It's what drives adventurers to explore uncharted territories and scientists to delve into the mysteries of the universe. This same curiosity extends to our digital lives. Cryptic email addresses tap into this curiosity. They present us with a puzzle, a challenge that beckons us to solve it. These digital enigmas are like modern-day treasure maps, leading us on a quest for answers. The allure of the unknown is just as strong in the digital realm as it is in the physical world. They present us with a puzzle. Each piece we uncover brings us closer to the solution, and the satisfaction of solving these puzzles is immense. It's a testament to our innate desire to understand and make sense of the world around us, whether it's a physical landscape or a digital one. We want to solve it. The excitement of finding a clue, the determination to follow the trail, and the joy of making a discovery are all part of the journey. This journey of exploration and discovery is what fuels our passion for learning and growth. This desire to explore is what drives us to learn. It's what pushes us to seek out new knowledge and experiences. Whether we're reading a book, studying for a test, or documenting our findings in a journal, our curiosity is the driving force behind our quest for understanding. It is what pushes us to make new discoveries. Scientists, researchers, and inventors are all driven by this same curiosity. They seek to uncover the secrets of the natural world, to understand how things work, and to create new technologies that can change our lives. Their work is a testament to the power of curiosity. In the digital age, this curiosity takes on new forms. We explore online worlds, navigate virtual landscapes, and uncover digital mysteries. The internet has opened up a whole new realm of possibilities for exploration and discovery. From virtual reality experiences to online research, our curiosity knows no bounds. We try to unravel digital mysteries. The internet is full of hidden gems and secrets waiting to be discovered. Whether it's a cryptic email address, a hidden message in a piece of code, or a mysterious online community, our curiosity drives us to dig deeper and uncover the truth. The email address siraxi6844@xpiro.com is one such mystery. It invites us to ask questions, to dig deeper, and to uncover the story behind it. What does it mean? Who is behind it? What secrets does it hold? These questions fuel our curiosity and drive us to seek out answers. It invites us to ask questions. It reminds us that there is still much we don't know about the digital world. Despite all the advancements in technology and the vast amount of information available at our fingertips, there are still countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Our curiosity is the key to unlocking these secrets. It reminds us that there is still much we don't know about the digital world. Just as the night sky is filled with stars we have yet to explore, the digital world is filled with mysteries we have yet to unravel. Our journey of exploration and discovery is never ending, and our curiosity will continue to drive us forward.